Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is fried oxtail soup. It is refreshing soup from Indonesia and it is pretty simple to make, and you can prepare it over stovetop or instant pot, whichever you like. You can either fry the oxtail or leave it as is boiled. It's up to you, but either way it's pretty refreshing, especially for hot summer days. I'll see you soon again, and bye. So this is about 2 pounds of oxtail covered in enough water, with about 8 to 12 of cloves and a generous pinch of cinnamon powder, and also 1 nutmeg that I crushed. And again, we're just gonna bring this to a boil, about 10 minutes at least, and also about 1.5 teaspoon of fine sea salt. And when it starts to boil, you will see some of the scum. You want to scoop them away. Once 10 minutes fully boiled in high heat, turn down the heat and boil another 10 minutes in medium low. Now we're gonna drop in cherry tomatoes and also green onions and other vegetables you want to add, like potato, carrots, broccoli, whatever you would like to add, and bring back to boil until veggies are tender and well done, or somewhat crunchy but tender. But it's all up to you. Sometimes I like it when like the cauliflower is still a bit crunchy but actually already done, like potato totally done, like tender and soft. But it's up to you again. For today I only use 1 bell pepper, some cherry tomatoes, green onion, cauliflower, and that's about it. Again, if you like to add carrots, broccoli, oh, there's a couple of broccolis, and potatoes, or any other veggies you like. Snap peas will be so awesome, that will be perfect. I also added 2 pinches of ground white pepper, and also about 2 tablespoons of fried onion. I am also adding just like 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of vegetable flakes. And if you like, you can also season it with a little MSG or vegeta powder, or in Indonesia we have this chicken flavoring or beef flavoring powder that are called roiko or masako. You can use that as well. Now mix some flour with vegeta powder and onion, garlic powder, and also white pepper powder. We're just gonna mix it and coat our oxtail. So just scoop oxtail out from the soup and coat it right away. Just roll it and coat it, and we're gonna fry it. In Indonesia sometimes we grill them, but for today I am going to fry them instead.